Surprisingly, the thumbnail of this video isn't by any means a clickbait. Yes, you read everything on the thumbnail correctly, so does the title. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from blogging or YouTubing without having any much audience. Trust me, we are not going to be monetized through ads. We are not going to get monetized through affiliate program, nor sponsored content. Any of those are out. All those three are out of the picture, but still there are still ways in which you can actually make money from blogging. So here's what a lot of people don't tell you when you start blogging. A lot of people don't tell you that for you to make money from ad revenue, affiliate revenue, and the sponsored content, you need to get hundreds of thousands of traffic month in, month out for you to be making some good amount of money from both ad and affiliate and the rest. Well, the truth is that you cannot make money easily from all those approaches if you don't have much traffic. And then that one falls down to how then can you make money if you don't have that huge amount of traffic on your website, because there are some niches out there that you hardly even get up to 10,000 visits at the end of the month. So how do you make such amount of money without having that much audience? Well, that's what I'm going to cover for you in this video. So recently I've received a lot of messages from other bloggers, new bloggers who are just starting up. They've been blogging for 6 months to 1 year, but they find themselves in niches whereby they don't make that much money. And then the question boils down to how can they make money when they are not getting enough ad or affiliate revenue, or not even getting sponsored content. So I decided to come up with this video sharing how I made my first $500 blogging without having up to 1,000, not even having up to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, not getting up to 100 website visitors daily on my personal website, and not even getting up to 1,000 Instagram followers. Still, I was still able to make this amount of money from blogging, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can actually make money blogging and through content creation and any other thing related to make money online and offline. So if this sounds like you and you need more ways in which you can scale your blog up and make more money, then do it to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel in the comment section. As we get straight to today's video, and I'll share with you a step-by-step guide, the two simple approach I use to making money from blogging even without getting that much audience. So that already said, let's get straight into it. So getting into how you can actually make money from blogging without having that much audience. The first one here is simply blogging in your field of expertise. So what do I mean by blogging in your field of expertise? So assuming you are a graphic designer and then you want to start a blog, one of the best advice I will give to you is simply start a blog around your graphic design skill. So don't jump off this video if you don't have any skill to create content around. The truth is that the point number 2 is perfect for those who have expertise, they want to blog around, or who doesn't have any skills at all that still want to blog. Trust me, the point number 2 will also be perfect for you. So do it to watch the whole video. So for example, since you are a graphic designer and you want to start blogging, is to create content around graphic designing and start offering graphic design services to make money, or simply offering other skills that you know you are good at. So for example, when I started Perez Tech off at first, I was just writing about tech related and then other things that weren't actually around my field of expertise, because me, I'm more good at blogging and then affiliate marketing and graphic design, web design, and other services that I offer related to business to help businesses grow digitally. So I offer all those businesses, but along the line I was creating content that has nothing to do with them. So the first few traffics I was getting wasn't really resonating well in my ad revenue, because I'm in a very competitive niche, meaning I need to get a lot of traffic to even make some good money off ad revenue. And as of that point, I don't have much YouTube subscribers, so I wasn't even making any good amount of money from YouTube, because I was around 800, which is even up to yet time to monetize a YouTube channel at first. So I wasn't making any money from it. So the only way I was able to utilize it was simply diverting my blog to create content around my niche, the things I offer. Like today, I offer graphic design services, web design, UI and UX design, and a lot of services such as social media management and the rest. So not to make my services and my skills wasted, I had to create content that resonates with these skills. So if you go on my website right now and go on the services page, you realize that I just placed my services all on there. So when I made my first $500 from blogging, was really simple. The first one actually came as $100 from someone who took a course from me on how he or she can actually use AI to create content for his or her business. So it was actually a business owner who lives in the United States, wanted to create content for his business profiles, and then he doesn't have that much time to invest into content creation because he was busy, really busy as a doctor and all those ones. So he has seen my YouTube videos and other videos I post on other social media platforms that has to do with using AI to create content to scale up business, scale up blogs, and a lot of things. So he took my mentorship, which just cost $100 for those in the United States, and I took him through it, everything went smoothly for him, and that was why I made my first $100 from blogging. And in that same month, I was able to land other 2 clients who came for mentorship also around my skills also, and they paid to $200 each, because those ones they went beyond just learning AI, but also wanted to start a blog, so they had to learn every other thing that has to do with blogging, and a lot of things went into it. And I told them that was how I made my first $500, because I blogged in my field of expertise. And this is one of the best things you can also do for yourself as well. If you really want to make money from blogging, do what to blog around your field of expertise. In this way, whether you are getting hundreds of traffic, you are just getting few 50 visitors every day or more, trust me, you're going to make more money from this, because 1 or 2 of the people that will come to your website are likely to patronize your services. Like if you are reading my recent blog post, you realize that I create blog posts around the services I offer, such as blog auditing, website setting up, social media management. So when I'm creating content, I make sure I touch on all these areas so that I can let my audience know that, hey, I offer services around this area, so if you need my service, you can kindly let me know. And these are the other ways in which I make money from my business. And then on Instagram also, it's another good place where I publish content day in, day out, or week in, week out, because I'm not really active on Instagram, but still the few content I publish actually makes me some good amount of money, not through shared revenue, because I don't even have up to 1,000 Instagram followers, but through the services I offer. So if you are here to start blogging, here's my best advice for you: do where to start a blog around a service you know you can offer perfectly to your audience, and then use that one as a site to make money till you finally get monetized through either ad or get enough traffic needed to make money through sponsorship and affiliate revenue. So don't let any blogger deceive you out there that you can just wake up and start making some good money from affiliate revenue or ad revenue. No, you need huge traffic to make money from those sources, because it's only likely 10 to 20% of the people who visit your website that are likely to convert when it comes to affiliate, because not everyone who comes is there to buy your product. So that's simply about the first tip I have for you: simply blog around your field of expertise and offer services related to it. Whether you blog in your field of expertise or not, this second tip is perfect for anyone you find yourself. So this second tip is simply offering services to your fellow bloggers or business owners. So you as a blogger, you are not just limited to be writing a bunch of content and publishing every day. If that's how every blogger out there just publish content, publish, create content, publish, create content, publish, they are not going to be making all those huge amount of money they are making, because ad revenues aren't that profitable if you are doing it legitimately. Because I know there are ways people now do it without passing through the right way to actually make money from it, and I'm not here to condemn anything. But if you are to make it from ad revenue legitimately, it takes time and effort. Affiliate marketing, the same thing. And then sponsorship, we don't even talk about that, because it requires huge authority and then branding before you hit that particular landmark. So how do you make money if you are not blogging your field of expertise? So here is it: how you make money: simply joining your fellow blogging communities or business owners communities to offer your services. So one of the services I always recommend that almost every single blogger out there learn is the ability to manage social media handles for business owners or managing for fellow bloggers. So once you start blogging at first, you won't be making more money from ad revenue. So the only way you can make money is through offering other simple blogging services. Like you have a social media page that you create content and publish every day. You can do so for others as well, and in this way you don't have to be even recording like I do. They create the content for you and you post it for them, or you create the content and they post it on their profile, and this way you get to make money from blogging as well. And other things you can do is simply the most generic one I see every blogger out there doing is simply offering keyword research services, and also at the same time offering content writing services. So I've come to know a lot of bloggers of recently that offer keyword research services. Like recently I actually paid someone around $20, I mean $30 to actually do a keyword research one, because I was very busy, so I can't do so. I have to pay someone $30 to research 50 keywords. Was it 50, 100, around 50 and 100 keywords? So I just paid the guy off, and then he get the keyword ready for me and just made that money like that. And I wonder how many people you offer such services to. So assuming in a day, if you can do so, okay, let me just say in a week, if he does so to 10 different people, that's simply making $300 in a week as a blogger, just by offering keyword research services. And this one is really simple for you to do. All you simply do is get the right tools, and then you simply start doing it. Some you don't even have to use tools. So if you want to learn how you can do keyword research and offer these services as well in a way to make money, then you can check my link. You can check the link down in this video description. I'll be linking to a keyword research video, all videos related to keyword research and SEO on this my YouTube channel, so that you can learn it and start implementing it to make money. Everything I'm sharing here with you is simply what I paid someone to do, or what I have been paid to do as well, because I pay people to do things for me, so as people also pay me to do things for them. And this is how you get to make money from blogging. Blogging is beyond, now blogging is way more beyond waiting for ad revenue or sponsorship or affiliate. All those things are gone now. people hardly even go and search for affiliate reviews or a lot of things of recent, because you can just go to any platform out there or come on YouTube and they watch videos related to product rather than going to websites. And this recent Google update is even making things more critical. So the best way to make money is simply offering services while starting out, and then over 2-3 years time, when your blog actually stand up strong, then you can be relying on your affiliate revenue, relying on your your ad revenue, and they're looking for some sponsored brands to actually make money from. And this is simply what you can actually do. The best thing in blogging is simply starting off with the right information, and that's what I covered in my one-on-one blogging coaching services. So I personally offer one-on-one blogging coaching services where I tell you every single thing that personally worked for me and what has worked for other experts that I've learned from, work with, and then actually monitored. I've worked with a lot of bloggers out there. I've monitored a lot of bloggers. I've learned from a lot of bloggers, and I personally have been learning, implementing, and then editing for the past 5 years right now. So whatever thing I'm going to share to you from that my course is simply what is tailored to my field of expertise. So if you want to take my course, you can just contact me on Instagram. My Instagram detail will be displaying on your screen right now, or you can just use the video description and then contact me on any place that suits you, whether my email, any of them. I will reply you swiftly. So that's simply all I have for you in this video. Simply the second one is simply join business owners community or blogging communities and offer services of content writing, keyword research, or simply social media management to all of these people, and you can start making money. In this way, you don't have to show them any field of expertise. Since you are a blogger, they know that you automatically create valuable content on your website, and this is the importance of creating valuable content, because your audience are actually going to look at your website before they pay you for it. Secondly, you can offer social media management. This one no one actually cares, because you simply let them know that we can handle social media handles for them perfectly. And then, like for me, I have less than 1,000 followers on all my social media platforms. Like I haven't hit 1K a part of YouTube yet. Brands pay me to actually publish content on their social media platform, manage their platforms, and I get to make money from that as well, because they don't really care about what my profile says. What they care is the knowledge that I have to help them grow their brand by posting actively, publishing the right content at the right time to their audience to actually consume. And this way, no one cares about your portfolio or anything. And then the third one is simply offering keyword research. Yes, this one doesn't really matter. Everyone knows that you are a blogger, so along the line you probably learn a lot about keyword research. And even if you haven't, YouTube is the best place for you to learn any single thing related to keyword research, so you can increase your keyword research knowledge and start offering these services as well. So hope you find all this video So I hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.